Welcome to the Mastercam in a Minute course. In that lecture, I select my the contour toolpath here from my operation page. After that, we can get our post. This is MP Fun Post. This is the funnel control unit actually. I can click OK button. You can see the some question here. If I am clicking no, we can only get contour toolpath operation. If I am clicking yes button, it means that you're gonna get facing and contour toolpath in our the page. I can click no button here. At that point, we're gonna see the only contour toolpath here. Okay, if you don't wanna see that kind of operation again and again, you can select your facing operation and then you can push that button. After that, you're gonna see the same and the button here. And then if I am clicking G1 button by selecting facing toolpath, we can get nothing because we can cancel to get post from that operation. So we can click the contour operation again and can click the G1 button, and you can see that there is no any question about if you would like to get all posts, because we can cancel the facing operation at that point. So we can only be able to get contour toolpath operation because I cancelled and to get post from that operation. Okay, I can reselect facing operation and then we can click the dots button again. After that, I can easily, and at that point we can also get our the facing and contour operation and in the same file. That's it. This is face and contour toolpath operation, and thank you very much.